Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 11th, 2021. This is going to be our Algorand price prediction. We're going to give you all a new Algo crypto realistic price target to see where Algo is going to go. This is going to be like a price analysis for Algo. We want to make sure that you and I are always in positions that we can win and capitalize off of the market moves that the cryptocurrency space gives us. And it's really simple. All you have to do is really pay attention to the price bars and the volume to understand what the market is feeling, how it is acting, and where it's trying to go. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you tap in before you leave. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell as well, so you guys become notified whenever we upload our price predictions to this particular channel. So now let me get started first with showing you what has happened in regards to Algo with our last price prediction. You guys can see it. It was right there, October the 3rd. We did a price prediction for Algo. We expected the market to continue to give us some increases in price. We expected the market to move up in Algo, and it did, but it really wasn't long lived. The market moved up in a very short time frame, and since then we've been going down. So what do you think that means? Do you think that the price in Algo is now poised to go lower? Or do you think we're going to grab support right there around $1.70 and see the price come back up? I mean, what do you all think? We need to be critical thinkers in relation to what the price chart is already showing us to be prepared to see where the price is going to go next. So what do you think? Let me see. Let me show you all a different time frame first. If we look at the market on a different time frame, we get a different image as to how the market is feeling. So now, question. This is the 2-day time frame. I mean, out of the last 4 2-day price bars, let me circle it. I want to see. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you guys think that that is strength, or do you think that is weakness? Because if you think that is strength, then we need to be prepared and allow the market to continue to go up. But if you think it's weakness, then we need to be prepared and let this market go down. Now, from my perspective, from what I'm seeing on the chart is that that is weakness. Yeah, I know you all may not want to hear that, but the last 4 2-day price bars in Algorand, it is showing us that the market is currently weak. Well, what about on a different time frame then? This is the 3-day. I mean, do you see any changes, or are you still seeing the strength, or are you still seeing the weakness? Again, from what I'm seeing, the market looks weak in Algorand. Let's see how we ended out on the week. This is the weekly time frame into the market in Algorand. I want you all to notice this, okay? You see last week, the market in Algorand was able to come up here and trade as a high at $2.09. That was the high of last week. But just to see us close at $1.76 on the low end of that weekly price bar lets us know that this market in Algorand is still currently weak. It is. So based off what I'm getting on these differing time frames, the market in Algorand currently is giving us a lot of weakness. Now the question is, okay, cool. If I'm looking for the price to go down in Algorand, which we all need to be presuming, we all need to be prepared because the market does go down in price. It's a very bad disservice for individuals on YouTube to tell you only one side of the story. We always need to see both sides of the markets, the buy side as well as the sell side. And currently the market in Algorand is giving us the sell side. So how low do you think the price is going to go? Now let me do this first. I want to get rid of my last price prediction, right? So if you guys wasn't able to grab the market in Algorand on the 4th, the 5th, and even on the 8th of October, you might have missed it because currently we're not looking for the price to go back up there. Not yet. So if anything, from the high that came in on the 4th of October, it's about 9.5%. The other days right here on the 6th and then also on the 8th of October, 4.5%. Now let's say you're still in the play right now though. We'll be down about 6.83. So not too detrimental, not too bad, not worrisome, but again, we need to be prepared and seeing where the market's going to go for Algorand. All right, so let me cut that off. Let me move this out the way, get rid of it, and now let's talk. Okay, I was noticing something on the different time frames that I did earlier, right? I want y'all to see this. So now, let me take this ascending, this horizontal line right here, and let's move it because I want you all to understand that the price in Algorand is still in a very strong upward move, right? The only problem is that the price is traded so far away from it. I mean, this is the trend, right? This is the trend that the market actually is going through in Algorand. And this is where the price is. Look how far away we are from the trend. Now, that literally means that we can still see this price in Algorand come all the way down to that ascending line. and we still expect the prices to go up. So it's pretty much all about your entry, about when you want to come into this market and play with Algorand. Do you think that right now $1.78 is the prime opportunity to come in and play in the market? Or do you think we need to wait and let the price come all the way down and test that ascending line? Because I will also show you this too, because this area could be the new foundation of Algo's price. Right here. Okay, I would either say around $1.80 all the way down here to $1.70. That could be the new foundation of support, meaning that in the duration of whenever the market in Algorand continues to trade, 2022, 2030, 2040, 2050, that $1.70 can be maintained as the forever support area. Now, I'm not saying that it is, but I'm just literally showing you that this may be the new basis of support in the market in Algorand. I mean, what do you think? Do you think that's probable? Do you think it's likely? Or even do you think it's unlikely? Hit me up. So now, based on what I've seen on the weekly chart, based on how we ended the last 2 weeks into the market in Algorand, I'm not being extremely bullish into the market. I mean, I got to keep it real with everyone. When the market gives me weakness, I got to speak it. When the market is showing me strength, I got to speak it. But currently, from the long-term perspective, meaning the weekly time frame, the 2 weeks time frame, we all can visually tell that this market is not giving us any strength right now. It's not. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. We are now going to play the weakness into the market in Algorand. Okay, we're expecting the price to come down, but wait, relax. You don't have to be so worried and anxious about us saying that the price is going to go down in Algorand. It's not the end of the world. It's not. But we have to be prepared, because you and I can both see. Look at the chart. You let me know. Is the price going up or are we going down? Let me know. Yeah, it's going down. So we might as well predict that. Now, when I saw this on a 2 weeks time frame, okay, you guys can see that there's a pretty good area of support around $1.60. So ultimately, I'm going to look for the market in Algo to try to grab support around $1.60, which would bring us close to our ascending line. Okay, it would definitely take us closer to our ascending line right there around $1.60, right there. So that's about 10.8% movement to the downside. That's not bad at all in the cryptocurrency space. It's not. Right, so we got $1.60 first, and then the next area will be down here towards $1.50. Okay, that's it right there. So the expectation will be for us to see a continuation of movement to the downside in Algorand. I'm not saying it's going to be a swift movement. It might not even be a fast plummet, but we're going to make our move slowly but surely, just like we've been during the month of September and October. We've been stair-stepping our way down in price, right? This is what I'm expecting to see in the performance of Algorand's market. I'm looking for the price to stair-step its way down to lower prices. I got $1.60 and $1.50 at those areas of support. All right, I'm done. Now I want to know, what do you all think? I mean, do you think the market in Algorand is a buy? Do you think it's a sell? What is your price analysis in Algorand in the next 3 weeks? Rather than giving price predictions over the next 3 years, let alone people can't even give you a price prediction in the next 3 weeks. So I want you all to learn. Call the markets with me. Let me know, where do you think the price in Algorand is going to go in the next 3 weeks? This is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm seeing so far in relation to what price has done, as to where the trap is trying to go in Algorand. Now I want to know what you think. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.